Hello everyone, Ali is here from Safi Financial Network. Today we are talking about Amazon. And as you know, Amazon had an earning report last week and stock just smashed down all the way to this area. And if you remember our last video for Amazon is referring to March 19. And exactly I just point out this level for Amazon. And everyone was laughing and no one expecting prices coming down sharply like that. But the month of April was very ugly month for Amazon stock, and the reason was Amazon just reported a loss of 3.84 billion or 7.56 dollar per share for the first 3 months of the year, and a year ago just reported profit of 8.1 billion or $15.79 per share. And the reason was Amazon report came mostly from the companies accounting for a 7.6 billion loss in value of its stock investment. So that was just one loss. This is not going to be continued. This is just one quarter earning loss, and that would be stock investment in Rivian Automotive. And Rivian went public in late 2021. If you remember, we just talked about Amazon stock price as well. So it went up, and the stock traded at close of $180 at that point. And just last Thursday, stock closed and traded at $32, 32.18. And Ford Motor Corporation, which is Ford, reported a similar write-down as well. So the value of its Rivian investment went down dramatically. So that was the reason for this smash down for Amazon and for that bloody April. But that bloody April is not going to be continued. That's what I'm saying. And based on the technical analysis, we were expecting just a month, 2 months before, we were expecting prices coming down. If you don't believe that, please just watch this video here, the link here. You just watch first 2 minutes, first 3 minutes, and you will see this is exactly the area that I just pointed out in my video. And right now we are just coming down. Month of May just started today, and prices reversing back up. It is very early to say this is the bottom, but I would say this is a very solid area for Amazon. Why? Because this is a trend line. This is a bullish trend line. Stock price is coming back down to this monthly trend line in the uptrend. Second reason is going to be this is a fourth wave in Elliott pattern that you see. This is corrective move, and it's kind of like a poising for another impulsive move to the upside. So that would be our expectation. Prices coming back down here. So I'm just expecting prices going back up probably to 2,900. And that would be a possibility. I'm not sure. That would be a possibility to prices coming back down, coming back up, in the months of May to 2,900. Right now we are at 2,400. I was expecting, to be honest, just deeper to just accumulate. Lots of my followers, lots of my people who are following me, we just buying back Amazon here. And just today again, I just buy Amazon here and send alert to my subscribers. Anyway, so we are pretty happy in our buys, in our purchases, and we are just waiting for probably just another deep down. Probably if market gives us opportunity, and we are going to accumulate here. But this is the area that we were expecting a month ago. All right, so let's go to weekly chart. A weekly chart is pretty interesting just because, let me delete this line here, and here is the demand area. Here's the demand area for Amazon, and these lines are not just put it there just right now, just because they were for many times, and I just mentioned it in my last video that we are expecting prices coming back down to this level, and we are going to buy here. And if Amazon close above 2500, I'm just emphasizing this level, close above 2500 on weekly basis, that would be very, very bullish signal for Amazon, just because it is recapturing the 200 SMA on the weekly candle, on the weekly chart. Also, it just reversed back up from this demand area on a weekly basis. This is very bullish, and this can go all the way up to 2750 and then 2800. That would be the next level. But there are lots of damage has been done into the chart, and we should take that one as granted. But this is the level that we were waiting for. Lots of people are looking for another dip to this probably previous resistance, which is going to be support 2100. I'm not sure if we get down to this level, but again, any dip in this area, that would be a buying opportunity. I'm not going to sell or just hedge myself right now, because it's very, very late. It's like a suicide to your portfolio if you want to hedge yourself here. All right, so let's go to daily chart. And daily chart is very, very interesting. If you connect this ceiling here to this one, to this pivot there, and just continue all the way, look what happened just today. Market just pierced, stock price just pierced through, and then reversing back up with a nice hammer. I know based on monthly and weekly chart, we were expecting prices rejecting from this area, just because this is a very, very nice breakout to the upside, and this is institutional level. This is not a simple retail traders here. This is institution level, and that's how we are expecting. So price so far act technically perfectly, and probably some people are saying, hey, wait a minute, Amazon took a loss, sure, but what was the reason? So instead of just looking at the number, look at the report carefully and see what was the reason. The reason just was stock investment for one of the automotive share that Amazon purchased. It went down from 180 to 32. Is it going to bankrupt the Amazon? No, obviously not. Amazon grew the sales internationally in different areas, so that's why still that company is making money, right? So there is a slowdown in the economy, there is a slowdown in spending, there is a slowdown in online spending, sure, but does it impact Amazon? Yeah, it does, but look at the price and look at the value for Amazon. Is it the fair price for Amazon here? No, fair price probably somewhere here, and we are very, very undervalued. So that's why market probably in some time, I don't know when exactly, they're just coming to themselves and just wait a minute. Stock is very, very undervalued. It is not reasonable. And when price is coming back up, when those people are coming back to Amazon and just buying back the shares, as we did, just as a smart money did at this area, and there is no place for hedging yourself when the stock price is coming sharply down to here. If you want to hedge yourself, you should hedge yourself here or here, not there. It's like buying a stock here. When you're hedging yourself here, it's like buying a stock here. All right. Okay, so please write down your question in the chat box down there. If you like this video, please smash the like button. If you like the intent of the video and you think that it's going to be valuable for your friends and relatives, please feel free to share it with your friends, relatives, and any other channel in any social network that you have. Have a wonderful night. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.